So I wanted to take a couple minutes and talk a little bit about Tesla. The stock is in the headlines all the time, and Elon Musk is smoking pot on television. I mean, there's not much that we don't know about Tesla. We're not up to date on the financials, which apparently are quite bad, but we know a lot about Musk. And for those of you who don't, Elon Musk is from what is known as the PayPal Mafia. And these were people who back, I'm not sure, the late 90s or early 2000s, they founded PayPal. There's 6 or 7 or 8 of them that are multi-billionaires now. They also founded LinkedIn and YouTube. And they're pretty sure that they know everything. And some of them just might. In the case of Musk, he's responsible for SpaceX and Tesla. And he runs it just like based on the VC principles that he learned when they brought PayPal to the forefront. It's VC principles where you get to do pretty much everything you want with private money. And there's actually no accountability. Now, he had the good or bad fortune of taking Tesla into the public domain, and he's now subject to all kinds of rules and regulations that he probably chafes at. That's the kind way to say it. But be that as it may, I just thought I would tell you about a spread that I know that one of our users, one of the Spread Hunter users, is trading, and you can see here on the screen, this is Tesla, which was down $10 today. This is the 255-240 put spread that expires this week, September 21st, and this over here is that same spread expiring in June of 2019. So you can see that here the spread is 56 cents. Tesla is still 30 points away from this 55 strike. But out here in June of 2019, this spread is trading for almost $6. And I happen to know the person who got into this spread bought it for about $2.50. So Tesla has been as much as at least $80 higher, maybe a little bit higher than that. I'm not really sure what the high is, but I know it was around $3.60. So we can see where this particular trader got into this spread, and we can just, you can see here on the two interfaces that I have open, you can see what happens over time, and you can also see a possible way for you to pay for this. If you had bought this spread for $2.50 and you were going out there on a weekly basis selling a 56-cent spread, Tesla is perhaps not at its low for the last 3, 4, 5 months, but it's very close to that low. And you can see that if you had been selling the closer in spread for 55 cents or whatever you sold it for, that you may very well have paid, depending on how many times you did that, at least the $2.50 price. That's only 5 trips. Now it's $5.88, so it's going to get hard. But you can continue to sell these near-term spreads against the far-out ones, and you could scroll down and you could be selling spreads. Here's the 45.30, which is still trading for 25 cents. So you might have to sell a couple more, but you'd still pick up another $20 or another $10, and you would be long the 55s and short the 45s. It's not quite a calendar spread, but it will act as one, and you will be largely hedged. So that's the Tesla tale for today, and there's a lot of spreads like this that you can trade, and Spread Hunter can show you how that's done. Good luck to everybody.